Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to import files from your Google Drive to your Dropbox account. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. Now we're simply gonna look at how to import files from Google Drive to Dropbox. Right here in my Google Drive, as you can see, this is a file that I had previously uploaded. Now I'm gonna upload it or simply import it from Google Drive to Dropbox. Right here in the screen, you will see a button like this that says Create. Simply click on it. And from here, as you can see, there are multiple options. But the thing you need to focus on is on the Add tab. And at the bottom, you'll see something called as Import from Google Drive. Simply click on it. A new tab will open up stating which Google account you want to open up. I'm gonna select this one as my file is there. Well, it might ask for some confirmations, hit on continue or agree. Once you've done everything, as you can see, this tab opened up, and right here as you can see, these are all the files that are in my Google Drive. And this right here is the file that I want to upload, so I'm just gonna click on it and hit on select. Then finally, it's gonna ask you, the file selected will be uploaded to Dropbox. Overwrite files with same name and delete file from source. Well, it is up to you to do whatever you want, but for now I'm gonna leave it as it is and hit on upload. And guys, as you can see, the file is being added from Google Drive and it has been added right now. It might depend or vary upon your network speed. And guys, that is it. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.